Hello all, welcome you to Pragya Insights. I hope you all are happy and healthy. As an inspiring data analyst, it is mandatory to learn the data visualization tools, and Tableau is one of them. We are starting the whole new series on Tableau where we will learn how to create such an interactive dashboards to present data insights from the scratch. In today's introduction video, we will talk about the Tableau company, Tableau feature and its products offerings. First, let's talk about the company Tableau Software. Tableau Software is an American interactive data visualization software company focused on business intelligence. It is founded in 2003 in California and acquired by Salesforce in 2019. Currently, it has headquartered in Seattle, Washington, USA. Now, why choose Tableau? Tableau has a simple drag and drop features to create an amazingly interactive dashboards. It's easy to use, it lets you perform complex tasks in a seconds using its drag and drop functionality. And you know what? The most unique feature of Tableau is that you require no coding language experience to learn and use Tableau. It can handle data with millions of rows without impacting the dashboard performances. Moreover, you can create your complex calculations in other scripting languages like Python and R and use that code to create your visualizations in Tableau. It supports that as well. Other great feature of Tableau in my perspective is that you can interact with the visualization from your web applications using Tableau Embedding API. Tableau releases new features frequently, which you can use in your dashboards to create more effective visualizations. Tableau offers variety of products as per the user's need. Tableau Desktops and Tableau Online are used to create the interactive dashboards and reports, while Tableau Reader, Tableau Public, Tableau Server are there to publish and share your reports so that others can view it. Tableau Prep is the tool for data preparation. In other terms, to modify your data as per your needs. So I hope you get to know the very basic introduction about Tableau. In the next video, we will download and install a Tableau software so that we can start working on that. Thanks for watching and please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of latest video. I'll see you in the next video.